I'm here with Marty Shields.
Yes.
And you were just telling us about this car. You bought it when?
1977.
And it's your second car you owned?
Second car ever owned.
And you still got it?
Yeah.
I tell you what, you done good. My second car I own is long gone.
Long gone. Well, this is my courting car. Me and my wife now, I still have her too.
I tell you what, you done good, you know? Well, you said, you built this car, you bought sheet metal, interior, everything?
Yeah. Headliner, put floor pans in it, tail panel, trail, quarters, doors, fenders. The only thing original is the top and the hood and the cowl panel. The rest of the metal's been changed.
All right, man, this is cool.
Bumpers and all. I got
67 H.O.
Yeah.
So, I mean, is that how it came from the factory?
Yeah,
So-
high output.
So what kind of motor's in it?
326.
326
Yeah.
H.O. motor.
Yeah.
And it's all original.
Well, it's bored out and got a cam and stuff in it.
So a little more fun than stock.
Yeah.
All right.
You want to look in there?
I do want to look in it. I think people want to see what's in this bad boy.
People don't get mad at me because it's not Pontiac blue.
We know Pontiac people. It's okay, man. Ooh, look at this.
So,
Now, Marty, tell us what you done to this. That's not stock there.
well, it's got a set of 16 heads on it,
Okay.
and it's had to have some work done to the block to get the valves not to contact it. But it was cammed up. Got the Edelbrock intake, and then the carburetor.
But the original block to this car.
Well, actually, it is it's a remanufactured block, and this is the block is in it when I bought it.
Well, that's
But
what
when I got it in '77, of course, being 10 years old, it'd been rode hard and put up wet.
Well, I like that.
So I just figure it'd been mistreated a little bit, but I helped in that too when I was younger, But now I'm a little older. I don't do that kind of stuff because I know what it costs to fix them.
I tell you what, you got it nice, man. You put a vintage air kit on it, I see.
Works very well.
You got four-wheel disc or just front?
Just front.
Front disc,
I
okay.
put wheel wood on the front.
Wood on the front. Tell us some more about it. I mean, you've done a lot under here. Yeah, paint. But it's original white car?
Yeah, this is the original color and paint scheme. Interior colors all the same.
So it's white with red interior?
Yeah.
Show us the inside of this bad boy real quick. I mean, it looks like you built this thing to cruise.
Well, we got a local cruise in Campbellsville. I go down there on Friday nights from time to time, and I've been to Somerset a couple times, 3 times with it, I think. So
Red interior, white on the outside. You got some wings down, iconic floor mats. You make the console?
yeah,
You did good, dude.
that was leftover material from sun visors.
I tell you what, you done good.
Yeah.
We see you got some big speakers in the back.
It's not anything extraordinary, but it's loud enough to get over all the road noise and muffler noise.
I'll tell you what, man, it's pretty dang cool.
I put a tilt wheel in it out of a '67 Impala.
I tell you what, you did good, man. It looks factory though.
Put that in there, and then had to use a little different steering wheel because 67s have a deep dish.
Oh yeah.
So I had to get a little flatter one because it was a little too close.
Too close to each other.
Yeah. But my '68 that I got came with tilt wheel, so I'm working in.
And that's why you're here today. You bought stuff for the '68.
Yes.
I tell you what, man, Marty, you got it going on. I'm glad you stopped by. It's people like you. It makes it fun. You drive the car. This ain't on a trailer.
No, it's garage kept, but it does
Well,
get
good.
driven.
You don't leave it outside, but drive the thing.
It gets driven in the summertime 3 or 4 times a week.
Well, that's what I'm talking about, man. Well, we appreciate you coming down, showing it off. Thank you for taking the time, telling us about it.
Well, I've tried to save on shipping, but I'll probably pay it in gas. But I got to drive.
Hey, you had more fun than most.
Yeah.
UPS man ain't having no fun.
Go through the horse country over here and get to see the farms and stuff.
Dude, you get thumbs up everywhere you go driving this car. I guarantee it. Well, man, we appreciate it.